If AI is so smart, why can't it tell us what actually matters? Think about it. AI is like the world's most obedient sat-nav, brilliant at turn-by-turn directions, but ask it where we should go, total blank. That's the paradox. In this video, I'll show you why human judgment still drives the real value in AI and how to use a low-cost, bottom-up strategy to start unlocking that value in your business within weeks. You'll get a clear step-by-step framework to equip your team, spot the right opportunities, and scale the impact from the ground up. First, let's be brutally clear about the tech itself. AI can't run the show solo. AI can execute flawlessly, but it can't decide what's worth doing. No goals, no context, no instinct. And that's exactly why it can't replace us. According to Fiddler AI, a company specializing in AI observability and responsible AI governance, only humans choose goals. So far, AIs do not. No matter how clever your algorithm gets, it's a glorified errand boy. It optimizes what we tell it to, not what it dreams up. Ask it to find a needle in a haystack and it will grind away like a champ. But deciding if we're in the right hayfield, well, that bit's your job. This isn't just theory. Real world leaders confirm it. According to the McChrystal Group, execs recognize the need for AI but struggle with where to begin. Finding the right place for AI. Whether it's fixing workflows, solving pain points, or tackling big picture goals, it takes human judgment, not just technology. Imagine a logistics company struggling with late deliveries. AI wouldn't just say, let's fix the routing problem. Someone has to spot the issue first and guide the AI toward it. Strategy is an art, and without human steering, even the fastest Ferrari can't go anywhere. Now, moving on to the good stuff. The bottom-up approach. Instead of waiting for executives to map out every AI use case from the top, this strategy puts powerful, cutting-edge tech directly in the hands of the people actually doing the work, your frontline staff. Why? Because these are the people who actually know the day-to-day challenges best. They'll find practical, high-impact ways to use AI that no one sitting in a corner office would spot. By empowering your team with the right tools and freedom to experiment, you unlock real value quickly and build solutions that actually stick. This isn't just theory. Real-world data shows frontline employees are already experimenting with AI far more than many leaders expect. Research from McKinsey's 2025 Workplace AI report, including a survey of over 3,600 employees, found that employees are already experimenting with AI at work, way beyond what cautious leaders even realize. Interestingly, nearly all companies invest in AI, but only 1% feel mature in adoption. The real barrier to scaling AI, it isn't worker reluctance, but cautious leadership. Because cautious leaders often hesitate to fully embrace AI, employees are turning to unapproved AI tools on their own, a trend known as shadow AI, when employees use AI tools at work without telling their IT or management teams. This means employees are going rogue, feeding sensitive corporate data into AI tools like ChatGPT without approval. Cyberhaven's 2024 data shows a staggering 485% spike in this kind of shadow AI use. But here's the thing, give your team official access and that chaos transforms into pure gold. It's like handing them a box of tech grenades and saying, blow up the bottlenecks. This shows why trusting your team with AI isn't just a gamble, it's a game changer. Take Checker, a background checking company that speeds up hiring by vetting candidates fast. Instead of micromanaging, CEO Daniel Yanis turned his 750 plus employees into AI pioneers by giving each person $300 a month to spend on any AI tool they wanted. ChatGPT, code assistants, design bots, you name it, they tried it. They even held an AI Day party where employees showcased their AI-powered wins, like automating reports or speeding up operations. These one-off successes didn't just stay isolated, they were turned into company-wide playbooks. The results? Productivity soared. Skills across the company jumped, and high-impact ideas poured in. Stuff leadership would have taken years to discover on their own. It proves that when you trust your people with tech, they deliver value on a silver platter. No 6-month consultants needed, just a credit card and a little willingness to take risks. Now let's look at Shell, the Dutch oil giant. They rolled out a do-it-yourself initiative, giving employees access to Microsoft's Power Platform so they could build their own apps and automations. No coding degree required, just a problem to solve. What started as a plan to train 500 employees exploded into over 4,000 citizen developers across the business. Staff created everything from refinery maintenance tools to HR shortcuts, cutting costs, slashing busy work, and saving millions. The secret? Shell didn't force innovation, they invited it. A central hub shared success stories, hackathons sparked fresh ideas, and coaches helped new users get started. A single fix in Spain became a scalable solution in Singapore. This is a prime example of the bottom-up strategy, a blueprint for unleashing innovation at scale. Now the question is, how do you unleash a bottom-up strategy in your business? It starts small, but it can scale fast. Here are 5 simple steps to kickstart a bottom-up strategy in your business. Each one is designed to be practical, low cost, and instantly actionable. Here's the playbook. 1. Tune into what's new. Follow business and technology blogs on X and Instagram to spot the latest tools and stay ahead of the curve. Most of the best tools fly under the radar. This is how you find them first. 2. Test fast and share access. When a tool looks promising, say a new AI widget, sign up and give your whole team access. Free trials mean zero risk, or 1-month subscriptions are an ultra low cost way to dip your toe in the water. 3. Get feedback every week. At the end of each week, send a short survey to everyone. Did the new tool save time? What for? How much? And how did you use it? Keep it simple, but make it consistent. The answers will guide what sticks. 4. Share what works. Send out an update after the surveys are in and let one team's hack turbocharge the rest. A quick internal update turns one team's win into a company-wide upgrade. 5. Cut what doesn't click. Not every tool will deliver. Kill it quickly and move on. Momentum matters more than perfection. And that's the beauty of this approach. It's fast, flexible, and built for momentum. These 5 steps aren't about overhauling your business overnight. They're about making progress visible week by week. This isn't a budget buster. Most tools come with free trials or low-cost intros, and if something flops, you're out in a month. No harm done. Either you uncover a game changer and scale it, or you cut your losses before spending real money. If this sparked a fire, hit subscribe. I share weekly breakdowns that turn tech confusion into real business wins. And if you want to speed things up, there's a strategy call link below to get started. In the next decade, the winners won't just adapt. They'll outthink, outbuild, and outpace everyone else. Those refusing to adapt will look as short-sighted as refusing to adopt email in the 1980s. I hope you found this useful. Remember to follow for more insights. Until next time.